Hey, welcome back to New Physicist. How wind turbine works. There are different types of wind turbines, but the most popular and widely used one is the horizontal axis wind turbine. How does a horizontal axis wind turbine work? You know what? Wind power is the fastest growing renewable energy source in the world. That's why I love to talk about wind turbines and make projects. Let's take a look at the most important components of a wind turbine. A horizontal axis wind turbine has four important components. They are propeller, gearbox, dynamo, and the tower. Besides, in a horizontal axis wind turbine, there are two controlling mechanisms called yaw mechanism and pitch control mechanism. Let's take a look at the working of wind turbines. The propeller is the most important part of a wind turbine. It is designed like an aerofoil, which means like an airplane wing. The aerodynamic cross-section of the blade is what causes the thrust on the blade to rotate when the wind blows. But this rotation speed is not enough to generate a substantial amount of electricity from the dynamo. That's why we use a gearbox in between the propeller and dynamo to multiply rotation speed. Higher the speed of rotation, higher will be the output. This output current from the dynamo will be sent to the tower base, where there is a step-up transformer which will step up the dynamo output to a convenient voltage for distribution to the grid. Okay, you've learned how a horizontal axis wind turbine works. But there is a catch. Wind direction and wind speed changes over time. This will dramatically affect the wind turbine output. Two mechanisms are used to overcome this difficulty: yaw mechanism and pitch control mechanism. You may have noticed a big and long tail behind horizontal axis wind turbines. The propeller should face the wind to get the maximum efficiency all the time. So when wind direction changes, this tail will adjust the propeller to face the wind. This method is known as mechanical yawing. Modern wind turbines use more advanced approach here. You can't see a tail in modern wind turbines, but there is a tiny wind direction measuring tool similar to a tail which will identify the wind direction and will assist the auto adjustment circuit system to change the propeller position. Great. Like wind direction, wind speed will also change from time to time. Changing wind speed will result in varying output. To get a uniform output, we use pitch control mechanism. What is that? Pitch refers to the angle between the blade and the propeller plane. There is a velocity measuring tool on top of the turbine casing which will assist the pitch control mechanism to adjust the pitch angle automatically. When wind speed increases, the pitch control mechanism will increase the pitch, thereby reducing the propeller rotation speed. When the wind speed decreases, the pitch control mechanism will reduce the pitch, thereby increasing rotation speed of the propeller. This is how a horizontal axis wind turbine works. Hope you have enjoyed this video. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.